Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you remove Instagram account from Facebook Meta Business Suite. So guys, for that, at first from your Facebook page go to Meta Business Suite, or you can just go to the URL business.facebook.com. Now after that, here you can see this settings option. Click on it. Now after going to settings, in the left side scroll and you will see business assets. Click on it. Here you can see the the Instagram profile. Just click on it and click on this three dot icon, and here you can see remove from business portfolio. Click on it, and as you can see, remove Instagram account from business portfolio. Just click on it, and as you can see, if you face this Instagram account cannot be removed because it is currently linked to a page. You need to unlink the Instagram account from that page, and you need to try again. So just go here, click on here, and here you can see disconnected. Just click on disconnected from these assets. Click on disconnect. And after that, click on the Instagram again. Click on this three dot, remove from business portfolio, and click on it again. Remove Instagram from business account. And as you can see, the Instagram account has been removed from the Facebook Meta Suite. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.